Florida, September 28, 2022. Huge, deadly, and destructive Storm Ian was a Category 4 Atlantic hurricane that devastated much of the southeast of the United States, particularly the states of Florida and South Carolina.
Hey guys, this is the current condition in my house. God hope you never have to see this at your house. What we all fear in life come true today. So God bless everybody out there trying to make it through this, and I hope you make it through all right. So see you on the other side.
Florida Governor Ron DeSantis issued a state of emergency for the whole state of Florida on September 24th. Schools in the Tampa Bay area also announced closings, and a number of colleges and universities, such as the University of South Florida, the University of Tampa, and Eckerd College, also made similar announcements.
Ay, 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 ay. Ah, están bien anclados los postes esos.
In case anybody has trouble identifying stuff.
Around the state, cancellations were issued by 55 public school districts by September 27th. Many continued through the rest of the week. Due to the storm, the Artemis 1 space launch was postponed, and the rocket was brought back to the Vehicle Assembly Building. On September 24th, President Joe Biden declared a state of emergency in Florida. The Biden administration also proclaimed a public health emergency in Florida. Both Universal Orlando and Walt Disney World announced that they would be closing attractions.
We're in Bonita Beach right now. We're up to about like 6 feet, I would say. You can see my car has drowned over there.
Orders for the mandatory evacuation of various counties' portions have been issued. Hillsborough County evacuated about 300,000 people, and they have been housed in schools and other facilities.
Cars moving, LT.
5,000 members of the Florida State National Guard were activated by Governor DeSantis, while an additional 2,000 were placed on alert in nearby states. Tallahassee and neighboring municipal officials cleared away the debris and kept an eye on the storm water and electrical systems to make sure the infrastructure was secure and ready. The South Florida Bulls and East Carolina Pirates collegiate football game was relocated from the Tampa Stadium to Boca Raton.
Well, I've seen a lot of shit in my life, but I ain't ever seen nothing like this. Fuck you, Ian, you son of a bitch!
The National Football League's Tampa Bay Buccaneers relocated their workouts from Tampa South to the Miami Dolphins training complex in Miami Gardens.
I got it. There it is. Fucking house going by.
That dumpster was right here. Look at this shit. And my Jeep is underwater. Our Jeep.
It was the second major hurricane of the 2022 Atlantic hurricane season, the fourth hurricane, and the ninth named storm overall.
Only 9 foot of surge we still have.
Wow.
On September 19, the National Hurricane Center discovered a tropical wave east of the Windward Islands that was the source of Ian.
Beautiful day for a swim.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
The ABC Islands, Trinidad and Tobago, and the northern shores of Venezuela and Colombia experienced winds and torrential rain on September 21 and 22, 2 days after the wave entered the Caribbean Sea. Later that day, as convection grew and the system grew more compact, it began to show signs of developing into a tropical depression. Before rapidly intensifying to a high-end Category 3 hurricane when it made landfall in western Cuba, Tropical Storm Ian first strengthened into a hurricane as it approached the Cayman Islands. It lost a little intensity while over land in Cuba but gained it back once it crossed the dry Tortugas and the southeast Gulf of Mexico. By the time it reached the west coast of Florida early on September 28, it was a high-end Category 4 hurricane. Ian qualified for the 5th strongest storm to ever make landfall in the contiguous United States as it made landfall on Cayo Costa Island in southwest Florida while still being a Category 4 hurricane.
Damn, look at this. Oh my god, my car is fucked. My windshield wipers are on. God damn it, Bobby.
This is freaking scary. Oh my god. There it went!
Ian quickly degraded to a tropical storm after making a second landfall in southwest Florida before re-entering the Atlantic, where it strengthened to a hurricane and made landfall in South Carolina. Parts of southwest Florida were severely damaged by Ian, largely from flooding brought on by an exceptionally high storm surge and rainfall.
Oh my god, I wanna go home. Hell no, hell no. Nope, I'm done. I'm done. I don't wanna play anymore. I don't wanna do, I know.
Naples and Fort Myers Beach in particular suffered significant effects. In the wake of the storm, millions of people were left without power, and many locals were forced to take shelter on their roofs. Significant flooding also occurred in Sanibel, and its causeway collapsed. As of October 1st, at least 84 people have died as a result of Hurricane Ian, including 3 in Cuba, 77 in Florida, and 4 in North Carolina.
On That's my neighbor's roof.
Additionally, as Ian reached Stock Island in the Florida Keys, a boat carrying 27 Cuban migrants sank. As of September 30th, 9 individuals had been found and were saved, 2 had drowned in the water, and 16 more were still missing.
Neil's bed cover broke and it keeps smacking the fuck out